In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your Skyworth Google TV. Take your remote control and we need to go on the top section over here until you highlight apps. Then press OK by pressing the middle button. And now these are all the apps that are available for your Skyworth TV. If you go down, you have a search bar. If you know specifically which app you want to download, you'll be able to type exactly over here in the Google search. Go down and now we have different categories that you can search. So if you like sports app, you can select sports, and the most downloaded apps in this category will be presented to you. You can browse them this way. Once you see an app that you want to download, let's say I want the NFL app, press the middle button here to select it. Now you'll get a small description, what's the app about, and press the install button. You're gonna have a bar over here telling you the progress. You're not obligated to stay on this download screen. You can press the home button, watch YouTube, do other stuff. When it's done, if you press the home button, this is the home screen, you'll be able to see the new app over here where you see your apps. So go down. These are all your apps that are currently on your Google TV. And the new one, you see over here, right now it's installing, that's why that thing is spinning around. But at the end, it will stop spinning, and this is where you're gonna find what you just downloaded. If you want to put the new app on the front because you're gonna use it often, simply select reorder, highlight the app you want to move, press OK, and now move it in the front. And once you're done, you want to place it there, select OK, and then done. The app is now downloaded, so you can highlight it, press OK, and it will launch. What if you want to delete an app? Well, let's go back where we were. Highlight the app you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete the app I just downloaded. So NFL is highlighted. Long press on the OK button. Okay, don't give a simple tap to open the app. Long press, and you're gonna have these options. Select view details, and now you can uninstall the app. Select OK, and the app will disappear from your Skyworth TV. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.